Welcome back to the Be Free series by Best IT. My name is Jay Boucher. Last time on the Be Free series, we spoke a little bit about roadmaps, specifically those areas of interest to business executives. So we're talking about the strategy and governance layer, strategic alignment, IT governance, and IT financials. Today we're going to talk about the nuts and bolts of IT. Your data, your information, applications, security and compliance, IT organization and your operations as a whole, architecture, project and programs management, and really the value that IT executives get out of each portion of this assessment and roadmap service. The first layer is business capability and risk. Let's focus on applications and development for a moment. Are you a shop that focuses strictly on buying off the shelf, or are you more about customizing and building your own applications? We'll help you discover what's the best strategy in accordance with your business needs. Second is data and information. Data and information is the lifeblood of any organization's executive decision making. We'll want to understand your data strategy, your data architecture, and how that ultimately supports your executive decision making within your organization. Thirdly, we'll cover security and compliance. Specifically, we'll run scans throughout your environment, as well as do penetration testing. We'll also want to understand your specific compliance needs within your industry and help you understand where your gaps may lie so you can mitigate your risk in the long run. Below that, we have the architecture and delivery portion of our assessment roadmap, headed by the IT organization and operations. The first thing that we'll look at is the structure of the IT team and how they make decisions. The second piece we'll look at is the staffing and skill sets within the IT and how they map according to the needs of the organization. The second layer we'll take a look at is your technical architecture, specifically your network, infrastructure, disaster recovery capabilities, and we'll make recommendations for all of your needs in the hardware space. Lastly, projects and programs management is an area where we make recommendations for organizations on how they can increase the percentage of projects that they execute on time and on budget. Last time on the Best IT Be Free series, we covered the strategy and governance layer, where business executives tend to be focused. And over the last few weeks, we've covered the entirety of the 9-box framework for assessments and roadmaps, and covered the value for business and IT executives alike. We intend to dive deeper into each of these areas in future videos, but for the last two installments, we wanted to give you a high-level overview of the assessment and roadmap framework. Thanks for watching the last two installments on the Best IT Assessment and Roadmap Framework. I'm Jay Boucher, and remember, you can always be free with Best IT.